We're continuing preparations for the hurricane that's coming. Got the dogs out at the dog park. And we got one hurricane board up. I got 2-inch lag bolts. I put them every foot around the board. And then I found you got to drill a 2-inch peephole so you can see out, see what's going on. So I have my first board up, and I'll be getting another board up, and then I have to see how my trees are going to hold up. Got one big ficus tree there that might have some issues with. Have a big branch going over the roof, so future videos I might be doing some roof repair and have a branch sticking through there. Have a couple large oak trees also. And I'll have to get my RV set up once I decide if we're staying or going. So that's our update. We went to Wally World earlier today, and it was busy, but it wasn't jam-packed. There's no water left. The soup aisle was pretty cleaned out. All the beans, the canned beans, canned goods were pretty low. And gas stations were busy, but not lined up. And so we'll see after the storm how everything holds up. Alright, thank you for watching the RV Dog channel, and we'll update you on the hurricane as we go.